spot, it goes around like
It
that.
does.
Dad, come look at this.
Was this for Destroyer Dome?
You need to go potty.
That's for the plexus.
You sure?
Perplexus?
This is perplex. Did you see how this works?
Yeah, I was doing it.
always wanted this.
That's fun. Kayla, why don't you go
Hey,
potty real
Mom,
quick?
open this one.
This 48.
Is that another one?
Hey, Caitlin, we'll wait if you need to go potty.
This one.
We'll go potty quick. We'll wait. She went to the potty before.
She did go to the potty this morning.
She did it.
She did.
Can you?
I do not need
Okay. Can you put those papers in here? Thank you.
a Beyblade again. A new Beyblade launcher.
Watch your head, Caitlin.
Who is that though? Which one?
El Dorado. Blue El Dorado. Is this mine?
Back in my day, we used to just carve a top and fight with each other with them.
Carve with your teeth.
Yep, we didn't have no fancy.
You need to go potty or you just got excited.
I'm that excited.
Whoa. Let's let Caitlin have some thunder here.
Look at that shooter.
That Beyblade's put together already.
Oh, it is put together. Hold on. Oh, what are you gonna do?
I don't know. I'm killing.
Do you just pull it hard?
Bey wheel.
No, it's a Beyblade.
A princess carrot.
No, look. It goes like this.
Uh-oh. Watch your toes.
What?
Wow. Can I see that, Caitlin?
Stop! Stop!
What do you have in here?
Break everything.
We just got to take this off with
That.